Arsenal 0. Brighton. Yes, Brighton. Brighton. The Seagulls. 3. De Zerbi. Knee sliding down the pitch. De Zerbi running, giving it full Jose Mourinho against Man United when he was Porto manager. De Zerbi giving tactical talk to his players as they're coming off the pitch. De Zerbi sitting in the press conference after he got pammed against Everton last week or early this week, saying that weren't a Brighton performance. You'll see one at the Emirates. Cool. Well, I didn't predict a win. That was spineless. That was a disgrace. Yeah, none of them can walk off of that pitch and say they had a good game, apart from Reece Nelson. Reece Nelson, who, by the way, is out of contract next month, leaving. Reece did more than any other one of our players. Are you mad? Anyway, big up to everyone who watched the watch along. Before we can dissect this, and I am on it as well, make sure you smash the granny out of this. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you sub to the channel. I'm that close to 80K. That close. That close. Am I overachieving? Am I in phase 3? Shall I wheel someone out with merch? What are you chatting about? Yeah, make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. Yeah, make sure you sub to Lee Reacts. Yeah, that performance is a disgrace. When I see the starting 11, I was like, cool. No drama. No problema. No drama at all. Cool. I said in the build-up, my mum was sat there, and I said, are we going to win today? She goes, who are you playing? I said, Brighton. She went, you ain't winning. She don't know nothing about football. How does she know we ain't winning? How does she know we ain't winning? Oh, yeah, because she knows it's the history of the Arsenal. No, she don't know a great deal about football. She knows that I run a channel talking about football. And she knows it's the history of the Arsenal. Cool. Sweet. Caicedo, right back, yeah? Ben White being put on skates. Did anyone see Martin Odegaard? Does anyone know Martin Odegaard's scan rate in that game today? Gassing this guy up like he's the second coming of Bergkamp. Bin everyone, including the manager. Start with the manager. Get him out. This is the 3rd full season, because I know a lot of you inverted fans out there that love an inverted fullback or a hybrid centre-back and that, yeah? Oh, but look at what he's achieving. What's he achieved? If Man City beat Chelsea next weekend, they've won the title. We were 8 points clear. We're now 4 behind. Sack him. That's a 12-point swing. 3rd full season in a row that he's won nothing. He's won nothing. 3 seasons in a row. Now, if you deep that, yeah, you've got the league title you can go for. You've got Europe you can go for. You've got the League Cup you can go for. And you have the FA Cup you can go for. One of them seasons we didn't qualify for Europe because he took us so far backwards that this is seen as success. Right? So there's 11 trophies he could have possibly gone for. And he's won none. Why is everyone hyping this guy? Sack him. Sack him. Now, if you actually look at the season he took over and go and have a look at the squad that won that FA Cup, only 5 of that squad are still here. Eddie Nketiah, Rob Holding, Granit Xhaka, Kieran Tierney, and Bukayo Saka. Well, 3 of them barely get a game. So only two of them really get games. Saka and Xhaka. That's it. But I thought he was left a mess and it was a toxic dressing room. How did he win the cup with that team then? There was Socrates, Joe Willock, Maitland-Niles playing left wing back, Tierney at centre back, Emi Martinez in goal, Lacazette, Pepe, and Aubameyang as a front 3. Cool. Lucas Torreira in the squad. How did he win? How did he win that? How is it possible that he could win that cup with that bunch of average footballers then that are toxic, negative? Oh my God, they were causing a divide. Really? Okay, cool. Well, he's done £500 million in 3 seasons since. Got 21 new players in and has won nothing. And we're being told that we're overachieving. Let me tell you right now, Real Madrid's former president was on Sky Sports the other day before the Man City game. Only one manager in the last 62 years at Real Madrid has lasted more than 3 seasons. 1. How comes they keep winning? What phase are they in? What process are they doing? Is it a youth project? Oh no, it's win at all costs. He also said in an interview with Sky Sports, where we tell players when they sign for Madrid that winning the Champions League is not success. It's an obligation. But I'm being told by thousands of inverted football fans that ain't got a Scooby about what the aim of elite sport is, they're all just there for vibes, can't take a proper opinion. Yeah, I'm getting told that, no, hold on a minute, mate. Hold on. Like, can't just, Rome wasn't built in a day. We're overachieving. We're in phase 3. It's a process. I'll back the process and trust the process when somebody can tell me what it is and when it's acceptable to actually call out and demand winning something. Let's all laugh at Man United. They won the League Cup. Cool. Well, I'll take a League Cup right now. We've had the same season as Tottenham. The only difference is we got a little gift. Here you go. Here you go. Have a gift. You can qualify for the Champions League that you did 22 times and never fucking won it. It drives me insane. This club is a disgrace. Absolute disgrace. And in 2 weeks from now, we play Wolves. We play Wolves. Nailed on, Ian Wright is wheeling out a new kit. Nailed on, that club shop is rammed with people buying that new kit. And round and round and round and round we go. Next month, the season tickets have to be renewed. They've gone up another 5%. That's after the 5% they went up this season. But don't worry. If you live in America, you've had a squeeze, you've had a touch, you've had a result. I mean, I couldn't believe it. You get to see us, and you know the players will be meeting and greeting. So why aren't they doing that at the stadium then? Why aren't they walking outside the stadium? Oh, Granit Xhaka wants to feel like that he wants to get the fans more involved. Okay, cool. Why aren't he getting out of the car and walking in the Tottenham pub then? Martin Odegaard walks out singing North London Forever under his breath. He gets goosebumps. Really? You don't believe all this? Do you actually believe this crap? Charles Watts, disgrace. Oh, I've written a book about Arteta and I'm charging 20 quid for it. What? Sack him. Sack him today. Sack him. Zidane's available, by the way. Luis Enrique is available, by the way. Nagelsmann, not that I rate him, is available, by the way. Don Simeone is going to be available potentially in the next couple of weeks. If he loses on Tuesday, he might be sacked. Don Simeone could be available this summer. Why are we keeping this guy? 8 points clear, 4 points behind. We were 8 points clear on when? The 30th of, or 1st of April? Sorry, 30th of May? First, I'm so angry. 1st of May. Yeah? 1st of May. We're now, well, it's now the 14th and we're what? Minus goal difference of about 19 or something. Let me have a look at the league. 1st of April, sorry, that was what the date I was looking for. 1st of April, we were clear. The goal difference is now 20. When we played Manchester City, I think the goal difference was 5. It's now 20. They've now lost less games than us. They've won more games than us, and we've played a game more. But we're overachieving because Martin Keown said failure is success. Ray Parlour said nobody expected it. Yeah, well, guess what, mate? When we're 8 points clear, you absolute wrong'un, I expect to be winning the title. Yeah? So if this guy's not capable of doing that, get rid of him and go and get one that can. Oh, but it's because of him we're 8 points clear. What, you're telling me no other manager on the planet could get us 8 points clear ahead of Pep? No other we might as well fold the football club if he keels over tonight then. Imagine we wake up tomorrow to the worst news, and God forbid it don't happen, that he's passed away in his sleep or something, or something's happened, or he's seriously ill. I hope that don't happen to him. I genuinely mean that as well. What are we doing then? What, just shutting the football club down because Arteta's not the manager? What is your fetish with this manager? What is your fetish with fancying footballers? Oh, I made a new song up about Martin Odegaard in the shower the other day. What? You're naked and wet in the shower thinking about a footballer? I see a tweet the other day. Oh, yes. Who's the best looking footballer at Arsenal? What is wrong with these people? Who cares, mate? Can you win me a trophy? Yeah or nay? If you can't, adios. Real Madrid get this. We smashed the stadium down to be like this lot. They get it. You get put in a position to serve a purpose. When you've served that purpose, you're sacked. And if you don't serve the purpose, you're sacked earlier. That's it. And then we'll go and get another one, and another one, and another one. DJ Khaled. Absolutely embarrassing. That spineless bunch of... The culture's changed, yeah? The culture has changed. Cool. The culture's changed that much that nobody expected us to be there, even though we were 8 points clear. Our CEO sat on Sky Sports on the 12th of January telling the world top 4's the aim. We've got Ian Wright telling everyone, oh, well, yeah, nobody expected it. You know, I can't wait for the next phase. You fucking... That guy's a wrong un, mate. I could say some stories about him, yeah? I've been in some green rooms with that guy. Yeah, trust me, that will come out at one point as well. Yeah, that guy is a disgrace. Yeah, disgrace. Anyway, before I lose my rag too much, smash the like button, sub to the channel. As you can tell, I'm absolutely seething. Yeah, we could have gone 1 point behind them and really stuck it on them with them having Madrid and then Chelsea next week. And they go and do that. Yeah, they go and do that. The culture's changed. Really, Martin Odegaard disappeared. Saka disappeared. Partey disappeared. Tierney, why are you at the front stick? Well, at least he actually tried to header it. Like, why was he at the front stick? Why was Kivior on his knees? Where was Gabriel Magalhaes? Where was Jesus? Where was Martinelli? Where was Ben White? Club stinks, man. Stop falling for this PR. It's a disgrace. The PR process. This PR process needs to end tonight. Sack him. Sack Edu, sack that sofa salesman above him, sack Garlic Head, yeah, sack Lewis, get rid of a lot of them. Yeah, Josh Kroenke, you better make some moves right now, my friend. Yeah, because I'm telling you now, yeah, next season's going to be peak. I'm out of here. Yeah, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, sub to the second channel. Bless up everyone who's watched this. Make sure you're liking the hell out of it. Make sure you check out the watch along. I'll be back again with Matty, Kenny, and Jez fan cams next, and then player ratings. Yeah, I am seething. Adios. Ciao. I'll tell